guys, welcome back to my studio. This is acrylic painting with Julie E. Yeah, I'm still getting used to the name too, guys. So what we've got today is a really cool collaboration with Sheri Phaff Art-PaintBrushed, and she is an amazing artist. And she does resin work, she does acrylic painting. Go check her channel out, not just for the collab, but for her other work as well. Her latest post, I believe, was this amazing Dutch pour. Just gorgeous. But our challenge, our collaboration challenge is we each, for February, happy Valentine's Day in advance. Our challenge today is we are going to work on wood heart cutouts. And mine are cheap Dollar Tree hearts that I got. They're very thin, so I'm going to have to lay these on a flat surface when they dry. And our other challenge is only 4 colors. I can count. So we have got a beautiful gold by Liquitex Basics acrylic. Very pretty, very pretty. There we go. Then, of course, we have Artist Loft Flow Black. Right there. A little thick, but I think it'll be okay. And then I have white. Mine is Amsterdam Acrylics. Right there. And then red. Of course, it's Valentine's Day. Can't have Valentine's Day without red, right? And mine is Bordeaux Red by Arteza. It's so deep and beautiful. I love it. All right, so I'll bring you down and we can start painting. This should be fun. And we're back with dry results. I love how these dried. Really nice. And they didn't really warp at all. Really nice, really pretty. I gave them a coat of Mod Podge Gloss Luster to protect the paint. And then on this one, I put a ribbon in so it will hang. I was going to put some of this twine up here to hang it by, but it didn't look right, so I'm gonna wait with this one and buy some black satin ribbon, like the gold satin ribbon I already had for this one. But yeah, I think a black satin ribbon would look good on this one. I think it'd be really pretty. So there's our dry results, and I got a bunch of coasters out of the drippings too. I just dipped them. So please go check out Sheri Phaff Art-PaintBrushed and see what she created with her 2 hearts. Loves and hugs, y'all. Bye. Okay guys, we are here for the Harry Potter drawing for the painting. And I have got the random YouTube comment picker. We'll pick a comment, see if they answered the spells correctly, and if they did, they win. If we don't, we'll try again, I guess. Okay. We want to include the replies and comments. Let's see. That should be good. All right, let's see. Get comments. Yes, there were 220 comments, but I'm sure half of those were me. All right, let's see. Now, okay, here we go. Oh, it's picking me. Okay. Oh, there we go. Lori Beatty. She answered the spells. Jeremy, Wingardium Levioso. Lee, Accio. That's right, Accio base coat. And me, Obliviate. Yay! All right. Congratulations, Lori Beatty. Please email me. My email is in the description, and we can go ahead and get everything set up for shipping. All right, guys, thank you so much. You've all been great and wonderful, and I hope we can keep this going. I would love to do another giveaway when I reach my 1,000 subscribers. So, okay. Thanks so much again. Loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.